Hi sir,
I
Amit from Industrial Outlook, and I would thank to from on behalf of Industrial Outlook, we have a readership in more than 17 countries, and like we have a subscriber base of I mean 43,000 plus in India. So let's start the interview. So basically, just I would like to ask how Delta contributing to industrial automation sector.
see Delta. We've been here in India for more than 2 decades now, and growing year on year in all the verticals or the segments we are participating in, including the automation. And industrial automation is one of our focus area for Delta in India and even globally. And our growth journey has been high double-digit growth year on year for the last more than a decade now, and then we see the similar growth in the future as well, because we keep on coming up with new and new products, innovating products, um, and the solutions from across the product lines and for the different verticals we work on.
Okay, that's great. And uh, how the trend of automation sector has changed, especially after post COVID, because a lot of things have changed. So how automation sector?
I think it's no different. Probably, of course, as I said, we already have been seeing the automation per se in the industry growing year on year, past decade and even before that. Uh, Probably the things have started expediting now, and it is much more needed by the industry and the factories to bring in more smarter solutions, more of automation to improve the productivity and efficiency. I think most of the factories in the industries went through a difficult phase with manpower not being there, of course, connectivity not being there, and then we see the IoT adoption, the automation adoption is increasing. The number of robots used in different industry segments is really expedited, and I believe we are at the right place at the right time, and we would love to be a strong partner in the overall growth story for India in the automation industry. Yeah.
Okay, that's great. And how Delta preparing himself for like upcoming challenges, especially in technology and all.
I think we all are in the marketplace, and when we say that there are challenges, but then we see them as the opportunities for us. And the overall philosophy of Delta, we are investing quite heavily on the R&D. That's in our blood, right? And we invest 8 to 9% of our revenues annually into the R&D, which means we are bringing in more and more solutions, the products which are important for the industry, different segments, and also which we are looking at the industry requirements much ahead of time, so that we can bring in those solutions at the right time. And I think we are ready in terms of different segments, not just the automation, but whatever we do in Delta across industries we work on. Yeah.
Okay, great. And how do you foresee your growth in India market?
I think I already covered this.
If you can brief.
We are investing heavily. India is an important market for Delta Group. In terms of the business growth, yes, we are looking at double-digit high growth year on year for the next 5 to 7 years time frame also. Apart from this, we are investing in terms of our manufacturing base getting increased. In terms of SEZ, we are going to export from India. We would be making a lot of products here, which are currently, which probably we are importing, and India is going to be one large business for the Delta Group within the other segments or other countries, whatever we have right now.
Okay. And is there any coming products from Delta?
We keep on introducing new and new products. If we would like to cover from this particular show in Automation Expo this year, one is a servo press, which is 1 to 5 tons of servo presses we are launching in this place, and which is going to be for various segments. For example, electronics, automotive, and many others. For spring applications, spring pressing, bearing industry. Apart from this, we already have the robots for sure, SCARAs and the articulated. The range is getting expanded within this for the SCARAs and the articulated ones. I think apart from this, we are also talking about the motion controller, range, which has got enhanced, which would definitely bring us more closer to a lot of other applications, which probably we were not doing earlier in plastics or textile or packaging in the past. So, yeah, that's what we are
Okay.
looking at.
Okay. Last question. Any message to our reader? Any
Sorry.
message to our readers?
Uh, oh, yeah. See, I would. The only message which, as Delta, I can really request and urge all the readers who are into this industry, uh, please patronize us, as your automation solution provider. Any kind of manufacturing problems or solutions or industry areas wherein you feel there is something we can do, we would be more than happy as working as partners or to bring in the solution so that the overall process becomes much more productive or efficient for you, and we'll continue working in this direction to bring in more and more production solutions to you in the near future and even long term. Yeah.
That's good. So it was a nice interview with you.
Thank you. Nice meeting
Thank you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.